Good day, family. I want to respond to this question because it has been repeatedly asked by a lot of people. It looks like we have been having an issue of destiny swap from family members, from friends, from colleagues, a lot of people, boyfriends, everyone. So I want to put some details because it looks like no one saw my part 2, or they feel like it's not enough that I gave out. I am not here to spoon feed you, you know that, but let me be kind and help those who feel like they can get help from me. So family, number one, you need to take yourself out of the state of being victim of that person. First of all, no one has power over you without your consent. The minute you say someone uyakodlula or ubani uyandibulala or ubani uyandithakata, that's the reality you're giving yourself into, and that's what you're gonna be living in through kuyo. You're gonna live in that timeline. Yobana when you're a victim, someone is doing this to you. So you need to first detach from that energy. Detach from the energy of being a victim. And understand that you are a victor. No one has power over you. That must start there. You need to be bold. You need to be brave. You need to be a person ongahlekiyo ngawe. Number 2, you have to be a person okwaziyo between but disciplined when it comes to things like sex. I told you in part 2 that I had to cut relations between. I stopped drinking alcohol. I stopped eating junk food. I stopped partying. I stopped ukujola. I stopped having a boyfriend. I stopped everything that I felt like it was actually taking too much from my life. I cut off yonke into endibonayo, but it doesn't really add value in that moment in my life because I was wounded. I had so many things going wrong after growing up from a very difficult background. So in that moment, I took a decision that this is not going to destroy me. This girl was not only the only person that tried to do this to me. A lot have tried. But she was the only one that I felt like waphumelela, because I was in such a low state of mind. Sendiqala ugrova, ndisela, ndiphuma because stress ndiphelelwe ngumsebenzi. So I cut off those things for 4 years, Betun. 4 years. No drink, no alcohol, no daughter, nothing, no one. I felt like no one deserved me in that time. Can you stay without sex for a year, for 3 months, for 6 months? If you are ready to take your power back, Betuna, make sure that you do things like that. Be ready to sacrifice. No one deserves me at this point. Let me work on myself. Once you start taking decisions as njalo, you can claim your power back. You can claim your power back and walk in your timeline. You're by victor. The timeline that we are at, the timeline where we have broke generational curses, between. There are no shortcuts in this life. There are no shortcuts. We as black people, no problem. Yofuna is shortcut. Ayiko is shortcut. Number 1, I said to you, I told myself that no one is bigger than, is powerful. That's number 1. Telling myself that, killing it in the head. Same as I am living today, and I tell myself because ndihamba nalamandla, and lamandla azakuhlala ke, because that's when you're connecting to your higher self. And then when you also uyeka izinto zomhlaba, same as ezinkonzweni uxela into bayeka into ethile nento ethile, same nalapha empilweni uzixelela ukuthi uyayeka. Number 3, ube ne-rituals that you do esiqwini sakho. Your rituals of knowing that I pray at 1 every day by 12 o'clock. I have to be praying every day at 3 o'clock. It's the intuition will tell you what time to pray. Do not mess with that. Ubene alarm exelela ukuthi vuka ngexesha elithile, yenza ijima ngoku, yenza into ethile. And then when you do that, something opens up in your third eye, in your state nje. Uzawufika lo intuition ethi lusanda hamba elwandle ngoku. Ufike elwandle uhlambe for 3 days, 2 days, hamba quqa elwandle, hamba elwandle for 7 days. You are connecting now to the guardians. They are telling you how do you cleanse your whole problems. Because the permanent solution is in you. Ayikho egqirheni, ayikho kumfundisi, ayikho kubanibani. Ilapha kuwe i-permanent solution of your problems. Let's not be stuck kule mentality yoba kukho umuntu outside out there that can help you with your problems. Your problems are within you. This is the last time I am talking about this, Betunan. Take your power back. I have a mantra that I play for you in the mornings. I take my power back from every space, for every dimension. Dlala mantra zako ekuseni. Dlala mantra zako Betunan. Ulwe, you're gonna have your own strategy. I can't give you mine. But I promise you, if you spend time focus working on yourself, your life will change, Betuna, permanently. I am in my receiving season, and I'm not afraid of anyone. Like abantu bathi suthetha xa izinto zilunga, andoyiki mntu mna. No one is gonna mess up with what I've worked for all these years. Uyakuphila ngefear. Ndiyanithanda Betuna. That's why ndithetha nje nani. Peace out.